Mhm.
About the fees, like you mentioned, there are currently no fees between accounts. So if we send US dollars from one World First account to another World First account, there's zero
Yeah,
fees. So let's say we send $5,000 to our supplier that likes to receive money in US. They
they
receive
can get
5,000.
paid. Yeah, always. Yeah, no
Mm-hmm.
receiving fees, no transaction fees for either
Mm-hmm.
side, as long
Okay.
as both of the side you have existing WorldFirst account.
Okay, cool. But then let's say I send money from, oh, or I receive money from Amazon as a payment.
Mhm.
Is there fees on that? So an incoming payment from a marketplace. Let's say Amazon sends us some money. Let's say also $10,000. Say we had nice sales. Boom, they send us $10,000. Is there a fee on that money that is incoming?
Simply answer no. Yeah, we don't charge
Mm.
any processing transaction fees for you to withdraw from these marketplaces, right? Because
Okay.
we connect it with more than 130 marketplaces of the globe. We are the qualified service provider SPN network for all of them, right? We are able to create the direct connections, the portals for the payment gateway for you to withdraw your income.
Okay, so when we receive the
Again,
money
it's
from the
free of charge.
marketplace, no fee.
Yeah, it's free of charge. You will be able to receive the funds in full into
Mm-hmm.
the WorldFirst balance.
Mhm. Awesome. A reminder of viewer, we have again the link to WordFirst to create an account in the description with a
Mm.
special code, and we'll try to have the best kind of offer with time for that link, maybe some goodies that this link will provide. So yeah, that's in the description. And other fees, man. If Sean, we withdraw money from WorldFirst, say I'm feeling like traveling now, right? I love to travel, and I made some money on Amazon. I think it's a nice way to reward myself with a little travel. I want to say withdraw money from WorldFirst to my bank account, let's say
Mm.
that I have in Europe somewhere. And then I
Yeah.
use my account there to travel, to pay with that account. Can I do that? And are there fees for withdrawal from WorldFirst to an account, say somewhere in Europe or in USA or somewhere?
Yeah, functionality wise, yeah, absolutely yes. You are able to withdraw this into your own bank accounts or your
Mm-hmm.
business account as well, right? Depends on the currency and whether it's a domestic transaction or a cross-border transaction. There will be some professional transaction fees. Right, the
Mm-hmm.
fees may vary, but we have a very transparent rate table, portal during your sign in, or you can check the fees anytime, log into your account system.
So basically, there are fees on withdrawal. It depends on marketplace or kind of on, I would say, more so on locations
Uh,
of
we
banks
only
where we
we
withdraw.
charge, yeah, sorry, we only charge the withdrawal from your WorldFirst balance into your bank account, right? We
Mhm,
don't charge anything that you withdraw from the marketplace into your WorldFirst
mhm,
balance.
mhm. By the way, kind of, I maybe should have asked it previously. Is World First bank account free? Do we need to pay you money for signing up or
Not at
no?
all. Not at all. Yeah, because again, we're pretty inclusive. That's why we win the trust of 1 million users, right? We
Mhm,
we would never charge any monthly fees or subscription fees, annual fees at all. Right?
mhm, mhm. That's nice, man. So as for the fees, are there any other fees? Because I'm thinking as a seller now, like we get paid from marketplaces, we pay to
Mm.
other accounts. So within
Yeah.
this ecosystem, we
Mm.
withdraw money to our own bank if needed. Are there any other fees in this chain that maybe I haven't mentioned and you can think of that sellers should be aware of, like, or that's it?
High level basis, right? We only charge transaction fees. We only charge transaction fees based on the third party transfers, right? Withdraw into a bank account or pay to a third party bank account. That's the only transaction
Mm,
we have, right? Other than that, withdrawing from the marketplaces free of charge, transferring between workers account free of charge. But on top of that, basic functionality of payments, because
mhm,
I mentioned we also have the features about financial management, right?
mhm.
We have some different value-added products. Haven't mentioned yet as World Card, which is a corporate card with a best-in-class cashback scheme so far, and
Mm.
WorldTrade, which is a digital escrow services. You're able to provide extra guarantee if you're dealing with a large amount of transaction with your supplier, or the first time new supplier, the new country you get into, you want to have an extra guarantee or fulfillment kind of exporting, right? Because we can be the digital platform to secure your money before the supplier fully fulfill their deliveries. Then we can release the money as the middleman, right, into your supplier account, provide you another peace of mind.
So you're saying there's two other products, right?
Yeah.
So just to conclude,
but again, talking about fees, right? We don't charge anything for work card. We only provide you a cash back, help you to stay financially fitness, right? Help you to cut down the cost. And meanwhile, for the escrow, we will charge the management fees. Depends on the size of transaction you are on percentage basis.